EYEN stock analysis and EYEN stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Eyenovia, bro, I'm in love with this because another Friday, another freaking 55% up. Because first time that I called it out, like you might think that I'm lying to you, but here's literal proof. Here's the proof. This was made so when it was sitting at $2.21 and it was made 4th of June, right? 4th of June is this vertical line here. The next day was 6th of June, actually 5th when it started pumping up. But so, since 4th of June, bro, this now is like at what, like $5, right? So we've doubled, more than doubled in freaking 4 days, right? Not even 4 days, like it's 2 days. And going into the next week, bro, honestly, I'm just looking to double down, buy more, as long as I see the shift and as long as there's like a double break that I always talk about, confirmation, right? And if that's not the case, then so be it. You know what I'm not gonna do here is come out and buy randomly. So I'll continue to keep you updated. This is where we're sitting at. It's my confirmation. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.